Today, I'm going to be sharing a recipe that puts a delicious spin on a classic favorite, Scotch eggs. And the best part, they're not only portable and easy to prepare, they're also low carb, which makes them a great choice if you're on the keto diet. So if you're looking for a quick and convenient meal to power up your day, stick around and I'll show you just how easy it is to add these hearty treats to your weekly menu. Hi there friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Luann and I am so happy that you stopped by. Okay, to get this recipe started, we need to first prepare 6 boiled eggs. I'll be making mine in the Instant Pot today. If you have an Instant Pot and you've never made boiled eggs in it before, it's as easy as placing the eggs in the pot on the rack, add 1 cup of water, and if your Instant Pot doesn't already have an egg button, just set it on high pressure for 5 minutes, natural release for 5 minutes, and then place them in an ice water bath for 5 minutes. And it's that simple. But prepare your eggs however you like, whether that be hard boiled or soft. Next up, you're going to grab your favorite pork rinds, place 2 cups of those pork rinds in a bag and crush them up into a fine breadcrumb consistency. You can also do this in a food processor or a blender if you'd like, whichever is easiest for you. Okay, now that you have those all crushed up, we're going to dump them into a shallow baking dish or a shallow bowl. Add a half a cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You're just going to mix all of that together and then set it aside with your boiled eggs. Because the next thing that you're going to need is a 1-pound roll of your favorite breakfast sausage. Now in this video, I'm breaking the rules and I'm only using half a roll because I have plans for the other half. But you'll take that whole roll and you'll divide it into 6 equal parts. Okay, now that we have everything ready, we're going to start assembling these simple Scotch eggs. Grab 1 portion of your sausage, grab 1 dry boiled egg. Make sure they're dry or the sausage will not stick to them. But you're just going to wrap that egg in the sausage to make sure that your egg is fully covered. And do that for all 6 eggs. Okay, now that all 6 eggs are wrapped in your sausage, we're going to grab those pork rind crumbs, a bowl, and 1 egg. Crack the egg in a bowl, scramble it up, and this is going to be our egg wash to help the crumbs stick to the egg. Just roll each egg in the egg mixture, then roll it in the crumb mixture until they're all evenly coated. I absolutely love how easy and convenient this recipe is. We're whipping this up in under 30 minutes. It's a complete breakfast all-in-one handy portable package, and you can make them a whole week in advance. You can whip these together on a Sunday afternoon, put them in an airtight container, place them in your refrigerator, and you've got breakfast for the whole week. I love hearing from y'all in the comment section. So tell me, have you tried Scotch eggs before? And have you tried this keto version of a Scotch egg using the pork rinds? If you have, I would love to know what you thought of it. Also, please share with us if you have any additional tips or variations to enhance the flavor or the texture of these eggs. Now the only thing left to do is to bake or fry them. Of course, baking is the healthier version, but frying them is going to give them a crunchy outer shell. I'm choosing to use the air fryer, which is a good compromise between the two. If you're using the air fryer, just spray the inside of your basket with a healthy oil like avocado oil, or in this case, I'm using olive oil. And then place your eggs inside, give them all a nice spray with the oil, and you're going to bake that at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until the sausage is completely done. Now, if you choose to make these in the oven, it'll be at 375 for 20 minutes. And of course, you have the option to add oil to a heavy bottom skillet and fry them up in the skillet. How do you typically enjoy your Scotch eggs? Are there any specific dipping sauces or sides that you would recommend to complement these eggs? Please drop a line down below in the comment section to let us know. I am so happy that I found this keto version of the Scotch egg. With the crunchy outer shell, the meaty sausage, and then the creamy egg in the middle. It is so good. Well, before we go, I just have to say that I appreciate you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for liking these videos, sharing them with your friends, and for joining this heart-filled community. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, I hope that you'll take a minute to go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and join our heart-filled community. And until next time, here's a couple more recipes that I think you'll enjoy. Thanks again, friends. Bye.